Good morning, everyone. I'm here to present my cause of linguistic landscape and how can affect multiple phases of our day-to-day life. First, let's talk about multilingualism, spade for one of the biggest aspects of linguistic landscape. Gorter 2006, she demonstrated the effectiveness of linguistic landscape analysis and unsweetened language presence and use. And William Q. 2016 investigates linguistic diversity in public spaces in Durban. And Gorter 2018 showcased a wide range of approaches to multilingualism education across different Asian countries, and Bakhos P. 2006 identified the range of language, eight most visible at permanent in Tokyo's public sphere, including English, Chinese, Korean, and other potential other language spoken by significant communities. All of this is go to show having multilingualism on our linguistic landscape is important. Second is education. Blomert G. 2013 incorporating concept from sociolinguistics, semiotic, critical, discourse analysis, and other relevant disciplines. Landry R. 1997 investigates the relationship between ethno-linguistic vitality and linguistic landscape. And Chin Jiming, 2019, Understanding Current States of Physiolinguistic Research. The researcher likely aimed to gain comprehensive overview of the existing body of work in the field. And Kim H. 2017, she investigates the diverse language patterns. Ronald L. 2013, Limited Use of Atomic Real-World Language Materials in English Language Technique Classroom in Japan. All of this is go to show why education is important in our life. Third is community. Xiaomi E. 2010, she demonstrates how the linguistic landscape can provide into the social and cultural significance of English in specific contexts. And Gorter 2018, she indicate understanding on implementation of effect multilingual education policies and practice in diverse Asian contexts. And Lodo B. 2011, the study revealed an equal representation of Galician and Spanish in the public sphere. And Hawk If 2008 demonstrate how the visible language in the public sphere mirrors underlying dynamics of language used in a community. And Lee A. 2021, she identified patterns in language usage. All of this is go to show why linguistic landscape is important in our community. Fourth is economic. Ronald L. 2013, she determined the nature strength of the relationship is there a statistically significant relationship between FDI influence and economic growth in the Philippines. And Chinsi 2008, potentially higher blood alcohol concentration, although this is less likely the primary focus, stress could influence alcohol metabolism. And Hoover T. 2006, Thai in English demonstrate the linguistic landscape obtained through code mixing. And Lovoka at G. 2019, How Linguistic Landscape Reflect Social Multilingualism and Language. And Barney M. 2010, she analyzed of which language are most visible and prominent in public spaces, revealing potential power imbalance. So all of this is go to show why linguistic landscape is important in economics.